Hello, my name is Mostafa. I have an online store for selling PC, laptops, and PC and phone accessories. I would give Selldone 8 out of 10. First of all, I was using WordPress and WooCommerce for my online store for many years. But as you know, a lot of plugins, a lot of time and maintenance. You should manage everything from updates, bugs, dealing with performance issue and speed issue, a lot of stuff like this. By transferring to Selldone, they do all these things by themselves. Transfer process was easy. I have about 5k product and a lot of categories, but the transfer process from WooCommerce to Selldone was easy and fast and clean. What I do like most about Selldone is how they manage shipping process. As I am shipping for my local client, so they have a calculation method to calculate the shipping cost, and this is one of the options. So I can calculate the shipping by a kilometer or by a kilogram, and a lot of way to manage it. Also as a payment option, as I have a cash on delivery option, also a local payment like PayMob in Egypt. Selldone need learning curve. They have a lot of options. So to get the full capability of the platform, you need to learn and watch a lot of videos. But they have modes for beginners and intermediate. So you can start now by set up your store and adding your product, shipping process, and launch your store on beginner mode. Then after you learn more, you can use intermediate or advanced mode to get the full capability of Selldone. And good luck.